First, I want to ask Spice. When Masicka do to your Spice, I want to ask you Spice, what did Masicka done to you? Vybz Kartel was world boss and him take on the king. And him expect to sit down with the crown and don't get challenged. No, it don't work like that. If Vybz Kartel he want to sit down relax, him should have just keep world boss. Vybz Kartel, me still see light in you know.
Yes, my people. Big up in yourself. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today, we are talking about bag of corruption. We are talking about Vybz Kartel. We are talking about Spice. We are talking about the great Rvssian. Yeah, man. And guess who will beat them bad? The great King Alpha. The Watchman. Boy. King Alpha is a perfect watchman, you know. Always like him have everything on record. Him have everything intact, you know, information. Got to know on that one, yeah. Yeah, man. I say, clean up in the heart and come. Yeah, man. That's what I'm telling you, you know. So big up on yourself, my people. Welcome to another one. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. And today a bag of things are going in a dancehall. The people them in the street I talk about. And we have to talk about the one Vybz Kartel. And you have to hear what King Alpha say. The one watchman. Yeah, man. Got in and chop Vybz Kartel and Spice. Got to right now and chop with Rvssian tail John. Yeah, man. And people, when I hit you up, I want me to hear what King Alpha have to say. The watchman. Yeah, man. And guess what? Thank you for checking out with. Thank you for sticking on and stick out with us. And there. Big up to all the subscribers them. And all the viewers them. Yeah, man. Everybody when not subscribe yet, big up on yourself. If you enjoy this, you can subscribe and click the notification. Yeah, man, and click all so you can see as it drop a foot. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, so you're King Alpha have to say. Boom.
Tick tock. Tickety tickety tock. Wagwan people. Big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. And you don't know sir, King Alpha, the watchman. First, I want to ask Spice. When Masicka do to your Spice, I want to ask you Spice, what did Masicka done to you? Spice, the other day when you're on your sick bed, and I call out to the higher power, to the Almighty, to save you, if He don't take you away. You did a prayer, and you did a preach, be a good, and you did a promise God, say good you're going to do from now on, right? So how now you come round here, I show hate, Spice? The cane field is burning, and we see the snakes them are run out. We see the fangs them, we see the scales. Spice, what did Masicka done to you? You and him was friend the other day. What did him do to you? Vybz Kartel was world boss and him take on the king. And him expect to sit down with the crown and don't get challenged. No, it don't work like that. If Vybz Kartel he want to sit down relax, him should have just keep world boss because being the boss for the world and being a king for just a country, who is greater? Vybz Kartel, me still see light in you, you know. Me still see light in you. Vybz Kartel, you know say Masicka rate you. You know say Masicka respect you. Masicka don't interested. Tammy Lee drop a song the other day. But him want Shaggy Crown, he no want Shaggy Crown, and him no want Sean Paul Crown, but he want Addy Crown. Masicka don't have no interest in a Sean Paul Crown, and him no have no interest in a Shaggy Crown. Cause him no see none of them as a lyricist. Him no see none of them to challenge him. Vybz Kartel said this youth was going to be the worthy opponent. Vybz Kartel promised him a clash. And Vybz Kartel take a crown and want to retire with it. Me hear Vybz Kartel say in our video, you know, oh, you don't think we're not going to get the crown and Popcorn are going to get the crown. Vybz Kartel, you don't decide who get the crown from who not get the crown. It's the people them decide who get the crown. Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel? You the forward out with an album where you call The King something, you know. I don't remember. From then you call yourself king, you know. So you they call yourself king before the people them in a Vybz Kartel. Remember, you they call yourself king. Before you actually get a crown on your head. You did claim king first. Just like how Beanie Man they claim king first and then him get a crown. So what if Masicka claim king now? And the people them say him worthy for a kingship. He's a young king. He's a young generation. Vybz Kartel, you're an old man like me. Spice, you're an old woman like me. Rvssian, are you the beat maker? And Masicka is a very promising artist. Why would you push hate against him and unfollow him? Why? Why? Rvssian, you should be teaming up with the young generation to make good music. And you want cut him off. Don't nice. Not nice at all. What more no more? We want to see the fans. We are like the cane field. And we are run out all of the snake because we want to reap the cane peacefully and safely. Sometimes you have to burn the forest to save it. Enough people say Bounty Killer this and Bounty Killer that, but Bounty Killer still have good in him. The light still shine from Bounty Killer. And the light shine from Vybz Kartel too. But Vybz Kartel, don't stay in the darkness. Come fully in the light. And for the darkness, pull you back in. And that may I tell you. Vybz Kartel was just a lyrical battle. It was just a lyrical confrontation. It was just musical for Masicka. He just wanted to challenge him, world boss. Because him rate you like that. Them come down when the youth say, him run behind you for collab. And the youth simple said, it wasn't him. It was you who asked him. I don't want to say the youth corrupt. I don't want. I don't corrupt. You know corruption. You know real corruption for that. And Vybz Kartel, you must talk to the Gaza. Talk to your Gaza people them. Talk to your sheep them, Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, if you really want to come in the light, talk to your sheep them. Vybz Kartel, talk to your sheep them. Uno send out the demon pan the youth the other day. What did want the youth for do? Fighting back with water. The youth have to use what him have to have and fight back lyrically. Because we're talking about music here. We're not take it so personal. Spice unfollow him. Rvssian unfollow him. And him never do Rvssian and him never do Spice nothing.
Wow, my people. A history. King Alpha come out with him belt well broad. And him put the right cross Vybz Kartel back on Spice. Broad and hot. Yeah, man. And the man come and spill everything, attack it short. Believe me. Yeah, man. What Masicka could do, he stand up for himself and fight. Yes. Believe me. He must stand up and fight. And throw a punch. Yes. So big up on yourself. And the man attack it. Real. I feel him views. I feel him vibes. Yes. And then the man talk like him bias. The man talk like him eat Spice. The man talk like him eat Kartel and Rvssian. Believe me. Man I come out, come talk it short. Man I the watchman, you know. Man been dancing and him been watching, you know. So when him come and show him, I give out him score. Open the earth. Look through you and look through yourself. And clean up on the heart and come. That the man I say. Big up in yourself. Yeah, man. And him not done, you know. Yes. So here we have to say. King Alpha.
We Just soldier them not go church, them fight on the battlefield. David a fight Goliath. So no sure we come out, make us see Goliath, because David with his sling, just children them fight, warrior, just soldiers. Me tell you no say I am the watchman and me a watch you know. The youth never do no nothing. The youth rate Vybz Kartel so much, he no want Shaggy Crown and him no want Sean Paul Crown. Him want the most lyricists where the youth see to himself to challenge him. And Vybz Kartel, the youth deserve to get the challenge because you promised him Vybz Kartel. If you didn't want the challenge, you should not pick up the crown, you should have stay a royal boss. The king are going to get challenged. The king are going to get challenged. It's a competitive sport. It's music. It's lyrical confrontation. It's our culture. It's our dancehall culture. It shouldn't take it so personal because Masicka still rate your Vybz Kartel. Talk to your sheep them, Vybz Kartel. Talk to your sheep them. What Masicka do to Uno? Because the youth want to take on and show him lyrical ability. Just because the youth want to show him lyrical ability, to show the world what he made of musically. And that's why I go answer. Corruption, pan top of corruption. I don't know if you start going like I don't know one dancehall. I don't know one dancehall. Just like how Anna Bob Marley won reggae. Him spread it for us. And we give great respect and great honor to the legend. So why you not behave so? Why you not behave so over music? Masicka did not say nothing that wasn't public knowledge in the song system. He did not break no secret. He did not say nothing to put Vybz Kartel in a trouble. It was public knowledge. Maybe him say something where we never know that it wasn't him that asked Vybz Kartel for a collab. His Vybz Kartel link him up and say, let's do a collab. And I only did I say, I him a run back a Vybz Kartel for collab. And I rate the youth, no rate Vybz Kartel, make the youth take on Vybz Kartel. I challenge the youth want a challenge that Vybz Kartel did promise him. You know, run and follow youth. Spice, remember, you did a call up on God the other day. And now you push 8. Remember, Spice, remember, the fire is burning in the cane field. And now open up no mouth and we are see the fangs. The right side is still open, Spice. Do you want to come or you want to stay on the left? Do you want to still push 8? Or no do one dancehall? Dancehall a few. And we decide. And we buy the music. And we listen to it. And we come at the stage show them. And we make stars. And we make millions. Because you have the ability to spit lyrics and to sing song to entertain us.
So you got me people. Yeah man. Well, King Alpha watch over man them hard. Yes. And them know him I talk about. Yeah man. Him say all the way him I talk upon the media brawling. So him not really make up no allegation. Yes. Everybody can see it with them naked eye. Yeah man. Cause you don't know social media set up them thing like a full cup. You can see everything through it. Yeah man. So big up on yourself, my people. Thank you for checking out the Adman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah man. Make sure you protect yourself. Keep yourself safe in these times. Yeah man. One love from Adman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah man. Get up on another one.